Welcome back to Slimsync. I'm David, and today we're solving the workday lunch dilemma for anyone on a weight loss journey. Instead of grabbing unhealthy takeout, I'll show you how to prep 3 delicious, satisfying lunches in just 10 minutes. These aren't boring salads. They're vibrant, flavorful meals packed with lean protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized all day. We'll make a mason jar chicken power bowl, Mediterranean sheet pan chicken, and a plant-powered Buddha bowl. Ready to ditch the lunch scramble and eat healthy, even on your busiest days? Let's get started. Let's meal prep smart. First up, let's talk about the mason jar chicken power bowl, a portable, nutrient-packed lunch you'll actually look forward to. This isn't just another salad. It's a complete meal layered with flavor, texture, and nutrition, all in a convenient grab-and-go jar. Whether you're meal prepping for a busy week or just want a healthy option at your fingertips, this power bowl is about to become your new lunchtime favorite. Start with a simple homemade lemon vinaigrette. Just whisk together olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Pour this zesty dressing right into the bottom of a wide-mouth mason jar. This layering trick keeps your greens from getting soggy and ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Next, spoon in a layer of cooked quinoa. Quinoa is a powerhouse grain, full of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. It adds a hearty base to your salad and helps keep you full and energized all afternoon. You can use white, red, or tricolor quinoa, whatever you have on hand. Now add diced, pre-cooked chicken breast for a boost of lean protein. Store-bought rotisserie chicken or meal-prepped chicken from earlier in the week both work perfectly. The chicken soaks up the vinaigrette, making every bite juicy and flavorful. If you're vegetarian, you can swap in tofu or tempeh for a plant-based twist. Now it's time for the veggies. Pile on chopped cucumbers for a refreshing crunch, halved cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness, and shredded carrots for vibrant color and a dose of vitamins. These veggies not only add nutrition, but also make your salad visually appealing and satisfying to eat. Rinse and drain a can of chickpeas, then add a generous layer. Chickpeas are loaded with fiber and plant-based protein, making your power bowl even more filling and balanced. They also add a creamy texture that pairs perfectly with the crisp veggies. Finish with a generous handful of fresh spinach at the very top. Packing the greens last keeps them crisp and fresh, so they're never wilted by the time you're ready to eat. You can also use baby kale, arugula, or mixed greens if you prefer. Seal the jar tightly and store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh, so you can prep several jars at once and have healthy lunches ready to grab all week long. When you're ready to eat, just give the jar a good shake to mix the dressing through all the layers. Then, pour it into a bowl or eat it straight from the jar, whatever fits your day. The flavors meld together beautifully and every bite is perfectly dressed. Every bite is a perfect combo of savory chicken, hearty grains, crunchy veggies, and zesty dressing. It's a satisfying, balanced meal that will keep you fueled and focused, whether you're at your desk, on the go, or enjoying lunch at home. The best part? You can swap out proteins or veggies based on what you have in your fridge or what's in season. Try roasted sweet potatoes, bell peppers, or even leftover steak. Just remember the golden rule. Dressing on the bottom, sturdy ingredients in the middle, and delicate greens on top. This method keeps your salad fresh and never soggy, so you can enjoy crisp, delicious greens every time. Plus, the clear jar lets you see all those beautiful layers, making lunch feel special. Meal prepping these jars on Sunday sets you up for a week of healthy, grab-and-go lunches. Just line up your jars, prep your ingredients, and you'll have a fridge full of nutritious meals in under an hour. It's clean eating, perfectly portioned, and totally customizable. You control the ingredients, the flavors, and the portions, so you always get exactly what you want. No more excuses for unhealthy lunches. Just shake, eat, and enjoy. Whether you're at work, school, or on the move, these mason jar salads make healthy eating effortless. Want to mix things up? Try it with shrimp, hard-boiled eggs, or swap in farro, brown rice, or barley for the grains. The possibilities are endless, so you'll never get bored. The mason jar chicken power bowl is your new lunch game changer. Healthy eating, made easy, delicious, and totally stress-free, one jar at a time. Next up, we have the Mediterranean sheet pan chicken, a true game changer for anyone looking for a one-pan, high-protein, low-effort lunch solution that doesn't skimp on flavor or nutrition. This recipe is all about making your life easier, without sacrificing taste or health. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just need a quick dinner, this dish has you covered. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees or 200 degrees. This temperature is perfect for roasting the chicken and vegetables, helping them caramelize and develop those delicious golden edges. While the oven heats up, cube boneless, skinless chicken breasts into even pieces for quick, even cooking. Next, chop up some zucchini, red bell pepper, and red onion into bite-sized chunks. These veggies not only add color and crunch, but they're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling satisfied. Spread the chicken and chopped veggies out on a large rimmed baking sheet. Add a can of rinsed chickpeas for extra plant-based protein and fiber. They'll get crispy and delicious in the oven. Drizzle everything generously with olive oil, which not only helps with roasting, but also brings those classic Mediterranean healthy fats to the table. Now, it's time to season. Sprinkle on plenty of dried oregano, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. These spices are the heart of Mediterranean flavor, infusing every bite with warmth and depth. Don't be shy. Seasoning is what transforms simple ingredients into something crave-worthy. Toss everything together right on the pan, making sure each piece is coated in oil and spices. Then, spread the mixture into a single, even layer. This step is key for even roasting. Crowding the pan can lead to steaming instead of caramelizing, so give your ingredients some space. Slide the loaded sheet pan into your preheated oven and set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the chicken is cooked through, the veggies are tender, and everything has a beautiful caramelized finish. The aroma will fill your kitchen and make it hard to wait. Once everything is roasted to perfection, divide the chicken, veggies, and chickpeas into 4 meal prep containers. If you want to boost the carbs for extra energy, add a scoop of cooked quinoa or brown rice to each container. These grains soak up all the juices and flavors, making every bite even better. For the finishing touch, top each portion with crumbled feta cheese and tuck in a wedge of lemon. The feta adds a creamy, tangy kick, while a squeeze of fresh lemon brightens up the whole dish. Just remember to add the feta after reheating, so it stays fresh and doesn't melt away. What you end up with is a perfectly balanced meal: lean protein from the chicken, fiber and nutrients from the veggies and chickpeas, and healthy fats from the olive oil and feta. It's a colorful, satisfying lunch that fuels your body and keeps you full for hours. The best part? This meal keeps you energized and satisfied, with barely any prep or cleanup. It's ideal for busy weekdays, and you'll feel good knowing you're eating real, wholesome food. Want to mix things up? Swap the chicken for salmon fillets or boneless thighs, or try different veggies like eggplant, cherry tomatoes, or broccoli. The sheet pan method is endlessly adaptable, so you can use whatever you have on hand or whatever's in season. When lunchtime rolls around, just pop a container in the microwave, add your feta and a squeeze of lemon, and enjoy a hot, flavorful meal that tastes just as good as when it was fresh out of the oven. Say goodbye to sad desk lunches and greasy takeout. With this Mediterranean sheet pan meal, you get real food, fast, no compromises, no regrets. Sheet pan meals like this make healthy eating truly effortless. You can prep several pans at once, mix and match ingredients, and always have something delicious ready to go. Prep once, and you're set for the week. Just grab a container on your way out the door, and you'll have a nourishing lunch wherever your day takes you. The Mediterranean sheet pan chicken proves that eating well doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Even on your busiest days, you can enjoy a meal that's vibrant, filling, and full of flavor. Give this recipe a try, and you'll see just how easy and satisfying meal prep can be. One pan, endless possibilities. Healthy eating has never been so simple or so delicious. Last up, we're making a vibrant Buddha bowl with cauliflower rice, a colorful, nourishing meal that's perfect for plant-based or meatless lunches. This bowl is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds, and it's packed with nutrients to keep you energized all day long. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just looking for a fresh lunch idea, this Buddha bowl is sure to become a favorite. Start by sautéing pre-riced cauliflower in a skillet with a drizzle of olive oil. Sprinkle in garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the cauliflower is just tender and fragrant, about 5 minutes. This makes a light, fluffy base that's lower in carbs than regular rice, but just as satisfying. For a hearty dose of plant-based protein, roast your chickpeas. First, dry them well with a clean towel so they get extra crispy. Toss them with olive oil, smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, and a little salt. Spread them out on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, shaking the pan halfway through. The result? Golden, crunchy chickpeas that add flavor and texture to every bite. Next, prep your colorful toppings. Shred some vibrant purple cabbage and crisp carrots for crunch and color. Thaw a handful of shelled edamame for extra protein and a pop of green. Slice up a ripe avocado for creamy richness. These toppings not only make your bowl beautiful, but they also add a variety of nutrients and textures. Now let's make a quick and creamy tahini dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together tahini, fresh lemon juice, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, a clove of crushed garlic, and a splash of water. Whisk until smooth and pourable. This dressing is nutty, tangy, and just a little sweet, the perfect finishing touch for your Buddha bowl. To assemble your meal prep containers, start with a generous scoop of cauliflower rice as your base. Arrange sections of roasted chickpeas, shredded cabbage, carrots, and edamame around the rice. Keeping each ingredient separate not only looks beautiful, but also helps keep everything fresh until you're ready to eat. Pack your avocado slices and the tahini dressing in separate containers. This way, the avocado stays green and creamy, and the dressing doesn't make your veggies soggy. It's a simple trick that keeps your lunch tasting fresh and delicious. When you're ready to eat, just add the avocado on top, drizzle with the tahini dressing, and give everything a gentle mix. The flavors come together beautifully, and every bite is a little different. Crunchy, creamy, tangy, and satisfying. Each forkful is a perfect balance of textures and flavors. Crunch from the veggies and chickpeas, creaminess from the avocado and dressing, and a hint of spice from the roasted chickpeas. This bowl is loaded with fiber, plant-based protein, and healthy fats, so it keeps you full and energized for hours. It's a lunch that truly fuels your body and mind, making it ideal for busy workdays or active afternoons. It's proof that vegan lunches can be delicious, filling, and easy to prep ahead. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction when you eat plant-based. This Buddha bowl is living proof. Feel free to swap in your favorite veggies, or add a sprinkle of nuts and seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. Try pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or even a handful of toasted almonds for a new twist. Prep a few bowls at once, and you'll have a week's worth of colorful, nutrient-packed lunches ready to go. It's a time-saving strategy that makes healthy eating effortless, even on your busiest days. Say goodbye to boring, wilted salads. These Buddha bowls are vibrant, satisfying, and anything but ordinary. Each one is a mini celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Eating the rainbow has never been easier or more delicious. With every color comes a different set of nutrients, so you're nourishing your body with every bite. The Buddha bowl is your go-to for clean, plant-powered energy. It's a meal that leaves you feeling light, satisfied, and ready to take on the rest of your day. Imagine opening your fridge to see a row of beautiful, ready-to-eat lunches. No more scrambling or settling for less. Just grab, go, and enjoy. Meal prep doesn't get more beautiful or more delicious than this. Each bowl is a work of art, and every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. Treat yourself to real nourishment every day. You deserve meals that make you feel good, inside and out. The Buddha bowl with cauliflower rice, your ultimate plant-based lunch for flavor, nutrition, and pure satisfaction. That's it. 3 healthy, delicious workday lunches prepped in just 10 minutes each. Meal prep can be quick, fun, and totally rewarding. With these recipes, you'll always have a nutritious lunch ready, no matter how busy your week gets. Every small, healthy choice adds up, so start with lunch. Let me know in the comments which recipe you'll try first, and don't forget to subscribe for more meal prep ideas. Prep smart, eat clean, stay slim synced.